You can use a ruler to measure length. Look at the ruler. What units are shown on this ruler? Inches are shown on this ruler. About how long is this paper clip? This paper clip is about 1 inch. Look at this book. About how long is this book? This book is about 12 inches. How many inches are in 1 foot? There are 12 inches in 1 foot. Look at this yardstick. What units are shown on this yardstick? Inches and feet are shown on this yardstick. Look at this bat. About how long is this bat in feet? This bat is about 3 feet. How many feet are in 1 yard? There are 3 feet in 1 yard. Now that you know different units of measurement, let's estimate the length of an object. Look at this eraser. About how long do you think this eraser is? The eraser is about 3 inches long. Now measure the eraser. About how long is the eraser? The eraser is about 2 inches long. Now you know how to measure objects using inches, feet, and yards.